Creative Business Accelerator is a programme for creative founders to help them grow their businesses. It's developed across 6 months, and in that time we run business development workshops, hold specialist one-to-ones with experts in the creative industries, and there's also peer-to-peer learning, and each business gets assigned a mentor.
I just think it is a way of getting that extra assistance and extra support that they might not have from elsewhere. And it's from people who actually work in the industry, so it's always going to be relevant to what they need.
As a maker, you get lost in your work sometimes. And it is so important to think about the other aspects of developing a business. And that's what the Accelerator did. It provides you with all the right tools to be successful and to build a successful business.
I applied to take part in the Creative Business Accelerator because I was at a pivotal point in my business where I needed to invest a lot more of my time, and the Accelerator allowed me a buffer to focus on my business without the added pressures of finances. All aspects of my business have been touched on and strategized, and I feel so confident going forward, even after leaving the program.
The main benefit of taking part in the Accelerator is that running a business alone can be really difficult. It can feel lonely, challenging, but being part of the Accelerator allows you to be with another group of people that are in the same position, allowing you to get support from like-minded creatives. Through the process of considering where our strengths and weaknesses lie, we developed areas where we had our shortfalls, and this really helped us to focus on what we were good at and what we could improve on.
My advice to someone thinking of applying to the Creative Business Accelerator is stop what you're doing and apply. It will change your life and the success of your business. Do not hesitate.
Do it. Don't overthink it. Be open. Take the opportunity. Have faith and keep on building.